John Evans building here in Evanston. And look, got this little bitty thing here. Down to P. I'm pretty sure Carlson's installed this one. Wow, this thing levels slowly. This must just be the parking garage. I guess so. Hold up, hold up. So it thinks it's on 3. That must be for the phone. It's tiny, pretty small. Why are all the rails on this side missing? That must be the elevator motor right in there. I'm sure this used to be like this absolutely did used to be some kind of gated elevator, but as for what kind, I'm not very sure. This definitely was something very old because this building's from like the 20s. Capacity is 1,500 pounds. Little bitty elevator. Here we are at floor P, probably P for parking. Taking its time. Takes a while to level on this bottom floor. I'm just curious, let's see. Elevator. Let's just see what's out here quickly. Oh, that's creepy. It's just dark and scary in here. What's in here even? Oh yeah, it's the parking garage. Anyway, that's it. Why is there a freezer there? That's all.